Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide Wayne. Today I want to show you how to unlock your OnePlus 11 5G so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is tap on the phone app and then tap the dialer. And we're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us our IMEI. Make sure you write down IMEI 1. You'll need that for the next step of the video. From there, we're going to go to the Google Chrome app. And we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, theunlockingcompany.com, to fill out a few prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be OnePlus. And then the model is going to be the 11. So you can do 11 or 11 5G. Tap on 11 here. Tap Unlock Now. Next, it will ask you to select the carrier you purchased the phone with, or the country first. For us, it'll be United States. Carrier is going to be AT&T, and then from there they're going to give you a price and an average turnaround time for your unlocking code. So with this phone, it could take anywhere from 1 hour to 3 days. Normally they lean closer to the 1 hour, but they do give you a range, so just keep that in mind. And you can also type in, or you will also need to type in your IMEI in this box here, add to cart, and then check out and pay. Now, after that, once you pay, you're going to wait for that follow-up email that's going to give you your final unlocking instructions. Keep in mind that unlocking phones does vary depending on the carrier. So that's why they give you a range, and that's why they follow up with an email. The process also does change from time to time, so you've got to keep that in mind. If you're getting a little antsy and you haven't gotten an answer in a while, simply go back to the website, and at the top of the screen you'll find multiple options to contact the company. So a number to call, a number to text, an email, and a WhatsApp number as well. So one of the reasons I love this site is there's a lot of ways to contact them, and they also stand by their product. So for whatever reason, if they're not able to unlock your phone, they will give you a refund. So that's a super awesome plus for this site. Now, once you get that final unlocking email with the final instructions, you will need to pop out your SIM card. And for this phone, the SIM card is actually at the bottom of the phone. So you'll need to find the box of your phone, grab your SIM tool. If you can't find this, no problem. Just simply find a paper clip, bend it back. There's a little hole that you'll need to put this little piece into and just push. And that'll help you to pop out the SIM tray to put in the SIM card of the new service you would like to use the phone with. And that's it, guys. I hope you did find this helpful. If you did, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.